about chasing and attracting. You might have heard, you have to attract things, you have to attract more and more, and you don't need to focus on chasing, because if you chase, then things will go, away from you. And if you attract, actually, then you'll automatically, things will come to you. But how this chasing and how this attracting work? So for that, I have a beautiful example. Let's say, let's say you want a bike. So if you chase the bike and if you attract the bike, I'm going to give you the example in both ways. First is chasing and then attracting. Okay, so it's a hypothetical example. There are so many possibilities, but what I'm trying to tell you, just try to think of what I actually want to demonstrate, what I actually want to tell you. So let's say you're chasing a bike. So you need a new bike and you're chasing it. So what you will do, in the perspective, in the the people who chase, let's say you are in a middle class family, and we're talking about middle class family. You earn 0 rupees, your father or mother are into service, and the home or house is into typical middle class house we are talking about. Because of course, if you are rich, then you can actually buy a bike in just a minute. So we're talking about middle class family. You are earning 0 rupees. Let's say you are just a graduate person, and you need immediately bike, whatever the reason, show off or whatever the reason, you need a bike. So if you are chasing the bike, your first step is that you need money to buy the bike. So let's say 1 lakh rupees, 80,000, 90,000, whatever money you need to buy that bike. So if you think in the chasing manner, what you will do, you'll go to your father, mother, and ask for the money. 95% of the people will do this, because you are not earning any money and you need to buy the bike, and you go to your mother or father. What will happen if you ask for the money if you're not doing anything? 95% of the time, just a hypothetical example, your mother or father will tell you that it's not possible to take the bike, because we are already running low money, we don't have money, or so much EMIs are pending, and all the middle class family situations. But this will happen 95% of the time. This will happen in the if you chase that bike. But what will happen, and how to attract, how you can change the current situation if you attract the bike? How to attract the bike? Let me tell you that. So when you attract the things, what you will do, you'll do the exact opposite of the chasing. In the first example, you went to your father, mother, and asked for the money. While you're chasing the bike, it will put you in a situation that you can lose that bike for forever. Chasing, it's not possible to get the things when you're chasing. But while attracting, what you will do, let's say as you are not earning any money, maybe you will go to that bike showroom and get the quotation, and you will understand, okay, I need this much of money, 90,000, 1 lakh rupees, and the EMI cost of monthly, let's say, what is 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is. So you'll calculate it, and you'll not ask for money, your mother and father, and maybe you will go to a job, because you're not earning any money. So you'll go to a job, you'll have 15,000, 20,000. Just a hypothetical example, I'm just telling you. I just wanted to put my thoughts into in this example. So let's say you got the job of 15,000, 20,000, and in the next 3 months, 4 months, you can buy the bike on EMI. This is sounds simple, that this is attracting, but how I'm attracting this? So now pay attention. When you do not have, let's take another example, second type of attracting. You don't need to, you're not going for a job. What do? You are going for you just graduated, so you need to pass some XYZ example for higher study. Let's say you studied for 6 months, 8 months, and you passed that exam, and now you have you have selected for XYZ position, XYZ college or XYZ college in the next city, in somewhere else, from far away from your city. So because you passed in the exam and got good marks, whatever it is, you have selected for the higher education. You'll go from city A to city B, and there you will need the transportation, and there your father will definitely buy you a bike, and this is how you attracted the bike. You did not ask for the bike, it automatically came to you, because you just changed your purpose, and you were doing the things whatever right for you. And this is how you have to attract in your life. This was just an example. I don't know how many people you got this example right, but try to think in attracting, how you can attract the things. I will make another deep example. This was just my first example. I wanted to tell you how you can attract actually things. So yeah, if you like this video, you know what you have to do, and thank you for watching.